it's amazing in the context of what we're asked to do and provide, certain assurances about the house. And, in regards to the roof, that's typically one of the requests of our clients is to get from us is this a good roof? Is this, and more or less, is it going to be leak proof? Shoot, there's contractors that can't even support their own workmanship, and that's kind of a sad case. But and we're often, as home inspectors, asked to assure people of the quality of the roof that we're inspecting, and rightfully so. That's part of the gig. But there's contractors that have a hard time just backing up their own workmanship on the house. Of all the things that people ask of us as home inspectors, one of the probably, I would venture in there is probably top 10, if not top 5 questions, when we look at all the different systems of the house. But for the most part, people want a leak-proof roof.